Well, so I had to go online and order something. This is the top of the oil lamp. It was a little ring here with a socket, and the wires go through here. That broke off while it was laying on its side. While I was taking it apart, I don't know. Kind of glad it didn't break now because, well, I have close to a gallon of mineral oil in this thing. That's a lot of weight. So I went online, and here's something. Make sure you do your research. First place I went to wanted $6.50. A few other places wanted $4 or $5. I actually physically went to Home Depot and they didn't have it in stock, but when I found the $6.50 when I punched it into the Home Depot site, $1.89, so $2.04 after tax. Yeah, the color isn't exactly dead on, but neither is that one, so that's the one. It works. So what you're going to see me do now is I'm going to rewire this, put this back together, and mount up the light and see where it goes, and see if I can get it mounted up in the house now. Alright? Let me get you guys in the proper angle. So a few other things I did buy when I was at Home Depot. I got a replacement cord. This one here, if you look at it, it's all crackled and dry and stuff. I really don't think that's that safe, so I'm going to replace all that and the chain. Also, to hang it on the ceiling of my house, I got this large swag light hook kit. You know, but it looks really cool, so I'll be able to attach this to a beam. I don't plan to do it from just pure sheetrock. I want to make sure I get the sucker into the beam, so that way I don't have any falling accidents. All right. So let me take this apart, move it out of the way, and get the top going, and we'll put it back together. So one other thing I need to restore is that you see how here the tops are missing from this set of this plastic stuff. This was really dusty sitting in my garage, so I just went with my brush, my vacuum brush, and these pieces literally just flaked right off. I did capture most of them. I think they're in here. You can kind of see them in there. I'm going to see if I can put them back together, but looking at it now, I think I have a few pieces still in the vacuum cleaner. Also, I want to use super glue, so there's still a little bit of oil from when I dropped this accidentally in the old oil bin back there. But first things first, let me get this thing rewired. So what I did here is I put super glue on the blue tape so this can just dry up, and I put blue tape behind the figure so I can protect the paint and the rest of the material. And now you really can't see too bad where it broke. I think that was a good restoration. So I'm going to let that set and then reattach this to the rest of the lamp, and let's see if we can get it hung. Well, I'll actually get the light bulb in, but yeah, we'll figure that out. Alright, so I'm going to marry these two pieces together, but the first thing I got to do is wire it up. So I'm going to clean up the wires here again and wire this bad boy up. So let's do that, huh? There we go. I'm cleaning them off with the alcohol. The screws, they were all oily. So I'm going to clean them off. Dry them off with a piece of paper towel. Alrighty, and the last thing I need to do is screw them in. I already got a bug in there. I already cleaned them out. No, there's bugs already in here. Alrighty, let's see what she does. Cross our fingers. There it is. I'm going to turn off the high intensity lights so you can see that. So that's what it looks like, guys. Looks just like I remembered it with the light bulb and everything. Now it's LED and fully upgraded. Alright. Time to go see where I'm going to hang it. I'm so happy with this.